Hey guys, so it's Zaylee again, and I'm not making a full video because today I am going to the beach. I'm not going to tell you which beach, but I'm going to the beach. And so at 1 o'clock, I'm going to be going because my dad is getting off from work. So, yeah. And so I'm not gonna get to be making videos. I'm just gonna be with my family. And how about the day after I come back? I'll make a video. I'll tell you about my day. There, my videos are uploaded a lot of them. It was last year. I had my YouTube video, but then it didn't upload, like, because what's it called? My sister had an accident. My friend's sister had an accident, and it's hello sister at the Christmas. What's it called? Christmas dance. Sorry, I'm really tired right now. And so yeah. I just wanted to show you that one. It's really funny. I uploaded it like a week ago or something. And so, yeah, you should watch it. So, bye. Should I be like, bye peeps or something? Ready? Bye peeps. See you next Tuesday. Bye. Have a nice day.